In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell $1 bills online, exploring how much they might be worth and the best places to sell them, like eBay. If you've ever wondered whether those dollar bills tucked away in your wallet or drawer could hold more value than face value, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to determine if your $1 bill has any special value. Not all $1 bills are worth more than their face value, but certain ones can be quite valuable. There are a few key features you should look for. Start by inspecting the serial numbers. Fancy serial numbers such as repeating patterns, low serial numbers, ladders, palindromes, or radar numbers can significantly increase a bill's value due to their rarity and the interest from collectors. Next, check if you have a star note. This is a note that has a star symbol instead of the last digit. Star notes generally have a higher value because they are part of a limited print run. Another aspect to look out for is errors and misprints. These might include ink smears, off-center printing, cutting errors, or even double denominations, which are extremely rare but can be highly valuable. Furthermore, you should pay attention to the series of your bill. Older series, or those marked as silver certificates, are especially sought after. Any series printed before 1963, such as those from 1935 or 1957, typically marked as silver certificates, could be worth between $3 and $25 or more, depending on their condition. Once you've identified that your bill may be worth more than usual, it's time to estimate its value. A great way to do this is by heading over to eBay.com. You can search for the specific details of your bill, for example, 2013 $1 star note serial number. Make sure to filter by sold items to see what similar notes have actually sold for recently. Pay close attention to the condition of the bills, their serial numbers, and their rarity, as these factors greatly influence their value. Typically, the price range for various types of these valuable bills can vary. Common fancy serial numbers, such as radar notes, might sell from $5 to over $50. Star notes, especially those with low print runs, can range from $5 to over $100. Major error notes go up significantly in value, ranging from $100 to over $5,000. Silver certificates are generally valued from $3 to $25 or more. For bills with very low serial numbers, you might see prices from $20 to over $200. By following these steps, you can confidently assess and potentially sell your $1 bills for a tidy profit. Happy hunting and good luck with your currency collection endeavors.